Hello all, this is a continuation video of the previous video. In the previous video, we have made a bar plot and we can just make a quick overview of the previous video. So in that we have made a bar plot like this. For that initially we imported some libraries and then we displayed or created the data, that is the x variable and y variable. Data is the x variable and courses will serve as the y variable. Then we made a figure by using the plot.figure function, and then we created a plot by using the plot.bar function, by which we call the x variable and y variable, which is courses and the values, and we have mentioned the color as red with as points 0.4. So in the previous video we have described clearly that why this color we can change the color and width and all. So if you want those details means you can check the previous video, and then we have made the plot for x label, y label, title, and then we have showed this figure. Then we can just in this demo we are going to work with multiple bar plot. So in multiple bar plot you may notice that this is the graph we are get. So you can utilize this graph. So for some scholars and all, if you are making any comparison like which algorithm is providing better, so for that you can use this algorithm. In this we are just making by using three variables, that is three things such as C, Java and Python. So the red color is going to mention C language, green color Java, and P for Python. So within the year, for which year it is just an normal rough thing. We are not weaving any report and all. Just this is an example of the multiple bar plot only, but the data we just provided random only. And in the x-axis you have given languages and within which year. For 2020 what is the report, 2021 what is the report, 22 what is the report, like that. Then in y-axis how many students have passed in every year. In 2020 how much students have passed in every corresponding to courses. For that we have made this bar plot, and first we have made a bar width of 0.25, and then we have made a figure, and we have created subplots also, and for that we have given the figure size also like 12,8. Then we have given the height of the bar, that is we are setting the values for C, Java and Python for 4 different years. With the first 12 will be the value for the first year, that is 2020, and this 30 will be for 2021, 1 will be for 22. Likewise for others like Java and Python also the same rule will appear. And then we are setting a position for this bar plot. For that we have made this three lines, that br1 is equal to np dot arrange, and we have given the length as c, and based on this br1 only we have made the bar width for other things like br2 which is Java, and br3 which is Python, and then we are making three plots. Previously since it is one plot we will be using only one bar function, but here we are using three bar function, which because we need three bars. One is for Java, one is for C language, and one is for Python. And here the color differentiation also we have given. Color for R is going to mention red color, G for green, and B for blue. The width, this bar width will appear, and then the edge color also we have applied like a gray. All the three things we have given as gray only, and the label we have given as C, Java and Python, and the X label will serve as the languages which already we saw in the bar plot, and the Y label is the students past, and finally we have given X text. X text is the value which is mentioned over here 2020 21. So if you want to mention some variables like this means you can just use xtics to mention these variables, and then we are plotting the legend, that is legend is this one. C, Java and Python, we have to give some differentiation. What is this red color specifying, what is this green color specifying. No, for that we have given this legend function. And finally we have mentioned this plot dot show. This is the multiple bar plot graph. So in the next video we will be working with the stacked bar plot, that is one bar over the other. Thank you.